So right now I'm doing the benchmark of Far Cry 5 in the Lenovo Y520. I'll put the full spec down below in the description. So as always, this is the FPS over here, and you can as well see that over there. This is on ultra setting, and the GPU is 1050 Ti 4 gigs, i7 processor. And I want to personally thank you guys for subscribing to my channel. Last month I got 16 subscribers. Right now I have 32. Thank you so much. And I'll do the real world gaming test on Far Cry 5 with this laptop on the next video, so stay tuned. Yep, the result came up. Averaging about 40, minimum 35, maximum 48. The resolution is 1920 10p, full screen, and graphics sets on ultra. Okay, and also additional information, I'm using the high performance settings on this laptop because this is the first 2018 game that this baby handles, so you know, just in case. But yeah, 40 FPS is seriously not bad. Okay, I'll see you in the next video. If the next video came up, you will see this over here. It should be about Far Cry 5 real world test. So subscribe if you wanna see that video. Bye bye.